Okay, we're looking at number 21 on page 652 in the geometry book. This is the problem right here. We got to figure out the area of this thing. So easiest way to do that is to figure out, okay, we got to find the area of all the surfaces of this thing. It has 6 surfaces. It's a trapezoidal prism, and since a trapezoid has 4 sides, that means there are going to be 4 sides coming out of each base. So basically there are 4 faces, lateral faces, and then the 2 bases, so 6. So we have 2, hold on, this is the first time I've ever done this, so I'm kind of just playing with it, but okay, so we have 2, I'm going to do, let's do a green. Actually, let's take it with red. So we got 2 of these guys, that's this, and then this. Then we got a left side. I was using that parallelogram there as the left. Then the right side right here. And the bottom, of course, right here. And the top right here. We just find all those, and then we add them up together, and we should get our answer. So I looked at the trapezoids first. I said, all right, I know 7 and 11, and I also know that's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So I drew this height here. Oops, sorry. Drew this height right here. And remember, if this whole side was 11, this is 7, and then this would have to be 7 too, because this is a rectangle. Then we have 4 here to make that total of 11. And if that's 4, we know that the longer side is 4 root 3, and we know the hypotenuse is 8. Then to find the area of this trapezoid, it's just area is it's the average of the bases, because one base is too small, this one's too small, this one's too big, so we take the average of them. So base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. And the height of the thing is 4 root 3. So when we do our math, 9 times 4 root 3, 36 root 3. Then to find the area of both bases, it would be 72 root 3. So I just locked that in here, put it right in here. Now we're going to go on to, I guess it would be the left side. So let's look at the left side, and those are our answers. I'm not going to hide them from you, but I'll show you how we did them. So the left side is that parallelogram up here. And we know this is 10, and because this was 8, this is 8 right here, same side, so 10 times 8, that'd be 80. So the area of that one is 80. So I put that here. The area of the right side, very similarly, it's 10 times this, which is from here 4 root 3. So the area of the right side is 40 root 3. 10 times 4 root 3 equals 40 root 3. Then let's look at the bottom. Bottom, of course, bottoms is actually pretty easy. It's just 11 times 10. So the area of the bottom is 110. 11 times 10. And then the area of the top, same idea. It's just 7 times 10. So we got 7 here and 10 here. So the area of that is 70. Then we just throw them all in here and add them up. So I added up the 72 root 3 and the 40 root 3 and got 112 root 3. And then I added up all the constants and I got 260. Put that in my calculator, I got 453.98, and I rounded up to 454. And that's my final answer, is 454 units squared. Hope that helped.